Did you know that the richest people in the world pay less taxes legally than most middle-class workers? That's not a conspiracy. It's not fraud. It's just the system. And today, we're going to break it all down. Let's get one thing clear. There's a big difference between tax evasion and tax avoidance. Tax evasion is illegal. It's when someone hides income or lies to the government. But tax avoidance? That's completely legal. It means using the tax code to reduce what you owe. And rich people? They've mastered it. So how do they do it? Let's start with the basics. If you work a 9-to-5 job, you pay taxes on your salary. That's earned income. It's taxed at a high rate. But the rich, they make most of their money from investments. That's called capital gains. And guess what? Capital gains are taxed at a much lower rate than regular income. That's loophole number one. Next, we have real estate. When rich people invest in property, they can claim depreciation. That means even if the value of their property goes up, they can pretend it's losing value on paper. And they get tax breaks for it. It's legal, it's smart, and it saves them millions. Let's talk about borrowing. Yes, was borrowing. Instead of selling stock and paying taxes, the rich often borrow money against their assets. So they still get cash but pay no tax because loans aren't income. You and I borrow to survive. They borrow to stay rich, tax-free. There's more. Rich people use trusts and foundations. They put money into these structures and reduce their taxable estate. They can still control the money, but technically, they don't own it. Some even donate to their own foundations, write it off as charity, then use the foundation to fund their lifestyle. All legal. Now you might be thinking, why can't everyone do this? Well, here's the truth. These strategies require money up front. You need accountants, lawyers, and complex financial planning. The system isn't made for average people. It's made for those who can afford to play the game. Let's look at real examples. In 2021, a report showed billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett paid little or no federal income tax in some years. How? By using everything we just talked about. They didn't break the law. They followed it. Better than most. So is this fair? That's the big question. Some say they're smart. Others say it's exploitation. But here's one thing for sure. The tax code is complex, and the more money you have, the easier it is to win the game. So what can we do? Learn. Understand how money works, because knowledge is power. If we can't change the system, we can at least stop being blind to it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening facts. And tell me in the comments, should tax loopholes be shut down?